Good morning! Alright, so for today's video, we are gonna attempt to make upwards of $600 all with this video right here. Alright, so I'm just gonna follow exactly step by step whatever he says, and hopefully I'll be able to make money online with AI as a beginner. Right, I'm a beginner right here and I'm just trying to earn money online, man. That's all there is to it. Alright, so enough talking and let's do this! Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick summary as to how this particular method works. Okay, so first things first is that we're gonna head over to Ideogram.
Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you this brand new software that has just been released. Now, this is absolutely insane.
Alright, Ideogram is gonna be the website where we're gonna be generating AI images. Right, it is similar to Midjourney AI if you guys are familiar with it. So basically, we just gotta enter the prompts, and then once we enter the prompts, the software will generate images for us, and then
Now, I have not generated this prompt before, so I have no idea what it's going to give us, but it should be pretty good. All right, as you can see, we're at 99% and it's starting to look pretty good. And I absolutely love this software. Look what it's just done for us right now.
the images, we are supposed to monetize it, right? So where we're gonna monetize it is that.
So how can we go ahead and make money with this? What we can do is we can go to a website called designcrowd.com. On designcrowd.com, we can go to the main website, and then we can go to logo design. And these are logo design jobs where people are looking for logos to get made. And we can go ahead and fulfill these jobs.
We're gonna use Design Crowd. Okay, so Design Crowd is gonna be the place where we're gonna be monetizing our AI generated images. I know a lot of the designers, right, the real legitimate designers are not gonna be happy about this, but hey man, don't hate the player, just hate the game. I'm not the one who created AI, right? And I'm not the one who made this method as well. So I'm just following whatever they say. I'm just following exactly step by step. So I'm just someone who's just trying to make money online. That's it. That's all there is to it. Okay, so don't blame me. Okay, all right, so that's basically it. That is like the summary of it, where we're just gonna generate images from Ideogram, and then from Ideogram we're gonna sell or apply the jobs over at Design Crowd, and then at Design Crowd, hopefully we get jobs over there. Hopefully our design get accepted, and then we will get paid. Simply just like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and find jobs over at Design Crowd over here, and then I'll get back to you guys. Oh, before that, I have to register first, right? So I'll register and then I'll get back to you guys. Boom! Alright, so this is the dashboard as per usual. Design Crowd dashboard, my profile overview. So I've registered and I'm gonna look for the jobs right now.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I found 3 jobs, right? He told us to just do 1, but I'm just gonna do 3, at least 3. So I'll increase my chances of having my applications being accepted. Okay, so having higher chances is always a good thing. So this is the first job that I've found. It is called Muay Thai Fight Promotion Company, Apex Striker. Okay, so this is the logo design brief. So basically, right, what he's trying to say also is that in order to generate the prompts for the ideogram, what we gotta do is we just have to copy this entire thing, logo design brief. So just copy literally everything over here, and then maybe just add on some additional stuff such as the logo text over here. So we just have to include this text as part of their logo, and then we're just gonna input all of this detail into ideogram. That's it. That's it. Plain and simple.
And as you'll see, these people go ahead and they actually give you essentially a prompt that you could use. So these guys are going to pay $150 for the first place design, the one that they choose, and there's 6 days left, and they're guaranteed to actually pick a winner. And they give you a prompt. Now, this isn't actually a prompt, but this is the description of what they want. Now, I'm not going to edit this at all, but you could edit it to make this better. I'm going to copy this right now. I'm going to go back to this website right here.
So hopefully it works. I mean, it sounds too good to be true. On the other hand, right, I'm kind of worried that Design Crowd might be able to detect that we are using AI works. So I don't know, man. I will try to submit my design first, and then hopefully my applications, my designs will not get rejected. So wish me luck. Yo, alright, so this is ideogram right here. So this is the software that we will be generating images. So you guys can see over here, right? there are a lot of AI images that's being generated by all kinds of users. It is very similar to Midjourney, if you guys are familiar with it, right? So Midjourney, I believe, is one of the, one of the pioneers, I guess, alongside with ChatGPT. They actually started the whole AI thing, right? The whole AI revolution. That's right. So, oh my god, wow, is it Jesus? No comments. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and key in my prompt over here. I'm gonna include it over here at what do you want to create, and hopefully it generates some images that make sense. Yeah. Alright, so this is the prompt right here. I basically just copied from the design crowd logo details, and I'm just gonna hit generate right here. Oh, by the way, before I actually generate, from the email that I've received from them, right, upon registering my account, then confirming my account, they actually mentioned that we only have 25 prompts, right? We only have 25 prompts per day. Yeah, so we gotta keep that in mind. Alright, we are done. Generation completed. So you guys can see over here, right, there are like 4 images over here, and I have to say, it's pretty cool. It's pretty legit. It's pretty cool. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm actually impressed. Alright, so I'm just gonna choose any one of it, and then I'm just gonna save it, and then I will submit my design. Alright, so this is the design that I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna go ahead and save it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and generate for the 2 other jobs. Alright guys, this is the second one. Optimal Health and Wellness Center. This is the logo design brief over here. Short and sweet. And I'm just gonna copy and paste it at ideogram. Alright, so we are done generating, and I obviously can't use these 3 because the text over here, right, they all don't make sense. Thankfully, there's like literally one that makes sense. Optimal Health and Wellness Center. So I'm just gonna go ahead with this. Alright, so this is the final one. Cybersecurity Technology Company Logo Design, and this is the logo design brief. So as per usual, I'm just gonna copy everything from here and then paste it at ideogram. Boom! Alright, so we're done generating the images. I'm just gonna go ahead with this one, the third one over here. Gonna go ahead and save it and start submitting. Oh, by the way, before I actually submit my design, over here, right, you guys can see the payouts over here. So how much they are actually paying is $150 Canadian dollars right here. Okay, so this is where you can see how much you're potentially getting. So for the other jobs, right, over here is $300 USD. Not too bad, not too bad at all. And then the other one right here is also $300 right here. So, if we actually get it, it's actually not too bad. Considering the amount of work that we are doing, like I said, hopefully they don't detect that we're using AI work. So, but on the other hand, right, we are actually competing with a lot of people, right? So we are competing like with 120 other designers, and so far there is like 227 designs that's being submitted. So there's a bit of competition as well, so we have to keep that in mind, and may the best man win, I guess. Oh, and if you guys are wondering how I actually got the jobs, what we have to do is that once we are at design crowd over here, right, we just have to go to the job section right here, and then you guys can see there's a lot of different kind of jobs that we can apply for, a lot of different kind of design jobs over here. So the one that I went with was logo design right here, the first one, under logo and branding jobs. So there is like business card design, label design, stationery design, blah blah blah, web design, WordPress design, t-shirt designs, graphic designs. So I mean, like I said, if the ideogram, right, if the design crowd don't exactly detect that we're using AI, then it's not too bad. Then we might just stand a chance of earning good money online. So let's hope for the best, and like I said, I'm gonna submit right now and hopefully it doesn't get rejected. Alright, so I've keyed in the details and I'm gonna go ahead and submit and upload. Boom, that's it. Alright, so I finally submitted it, and apparently my design is under review. I thought that my design is under review because they might have detected that I'm using AI, but it's being under review because I'm a new designer. Okay, so fingers crossed that my design gets approved, gets accepted. Alright, as per usual, this is the second job that I've submitted. This is the Optimal Health and Wellness Center So as per usual, it's the same thing. My design is being flagged for review because I'm a new designer. If there are any updates, I'll be sure to let you guys know as well, and I will submit the last one right now. And same thing, my design has been flagged for review because I'm a new designer. For the reviewing, right, I'll be sure to let you guys know under the comment section down below, because as of now, I don't have any answer from them just yet. And more importantly, I don't really have any updates just yet from the design, because for every job, right, they actually include the deadline. Yeah, so for example, right, I'll show you guys. So for example, for this one, the Optimal Health and Wellness Center, there is like 3 days left. So we just have to wait for 3 days, and hopefully our design gets picked, gets accepted, and I'll get paid $300 right here. So wish me luck. Same thing. Or over here, it actually states over here that this is the project deadline, which is 20 May 2024, 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. Yeah, so that's cool. That's really detailed. Alright, so as per usual, if I get any updates, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But for this case, there's like, hopefully I get 2 updates for you guys, right? So the first update is that hopefully my designs don't get rejected. Alright, hold up. So this is the next day. I'm editing this video right now. And then I submitted the job applications at around 12 a.m. last night, if I'm not wrong. And then I received the email confirmation from Design Crowd at around 6 a.m. also. Yeah, so I woke up to that. And then, unfortunately, I have bad news. So for the first one, for the Muay Thai job related one, right, I got rejected. Right, as you guys can see over here, the design is this, the Apex Striker. The decline reason is because it is artificial intelligence generated design. So yeah, apparently they can detect that we are using AI. So, oh well. And for the cybersecurity technology job design, which is this picture that I've uploaded, and it got rejected as well. Reason being, use of mockups is not permitted at this stage. Design must be flat and placed against a solid white background. So yeah, another one down. However, for the last one, good news, we got accepted. So for the Optimal Health and Wellness Center, we have met the quality standards. The quality team apparently accepted our design. And yeah, that's it, man. That's good news. So as per usual, if I were to receive any form of updates for this particular job, I will be sure to let you guys know at the comment section down below. Because for this design, right, it actually has like 3 days left before the deadline. So I will update you guys with the answer that I received from them if I were to get accepted or rejected. Alright, so see you guys in the next one, and peace!